Turkey? Can you go to Turkey now? Yes, please.
A brother asked from Germany, in Turkey, the circumcision of the children is performed when they are quite grown up. A lot of money is spent, and this is supposed to be a time of happiness and is celebrated with pomp and show. What Islam says regarding circumcision in the Holy Quran?
This is innovation in Islam. You don't find any such practice during the time of Hazrat Aqdas Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So any practice which is changed in form after the time of Rasulullah sallam has to be a wrong innovation. We must stick to the traditions of Hazrat Aqdas Muhammad Rasulullah sallam and follow them strictly, and not to indulge in such practices as you mentioned being followed in Turkey. At the time of Rasulullah sallam, this circumcision was done on the 7th day, and the head was shaved and the goats were sacrificed. That was all the celebration which went along with it. And I think, we must strictly follow this practice. If not possible, instead of 7th day, it could be postponed by a few more days if the child is ill or something. But this practice of a child becoming almost adult is absolutely wrong.